This mission is the brainchild of yours, because I hadn't a clue where we were. I thought we were going to the ban.
I thought this was your fault.
Yeah, I know. I thought we were going to the ban, but this isn't the ban, this is the Blackwater. So yeah, we're up, we're on a kayak camp mission here, and we're going to head up to a wee camp spot. Hopefully nobody's there. I don't think anybody will be mad enough today, because it's like 30 degrees or something going to get to, so it's a bit hot. Yeah. We're a bit warm on it. Already. Going to get roasted. So yeah, we're all packed up, pretty low in the water, I would say, this lot. This is the first time I had the kayaks under load with all the camping gear. And
the first and last.
Probably the first and last. But they're rated for 150 kilograms. So with my 90 some kilograms, and I don't think there's 50 kilograms of kit there, I reckon we should be grand. And Andy's just a lightweight. What are you, Andy? 80 some kilograms?
85, right.
But then you've got I don't know, probably the same sort of weight. It's the beer. I tell you, the beer will weigh us down, so we'll be coming back later. Right, so I'm in, and as you can see, sitting pretty low in the water. Should have really had a couple more plugs in these two holes, but that's for drainage, for balance, but it's to stop our bum getting wet, but hasn't worked. Have to rethink that. I'm sure it will dry out, but oh, beautiful, hey. Oh, oh, this is the life. Happy enough. That's you, just get yourself stable there. Aye, we're sitting about the same. But there, mine's actually sitting lower than yours. Think so? Yeah. There we go, no drama. Andy doing some proper YouTubing there. Proper content creating, not like me. But anyway, this is kind of where we've put in. You can see just the wee slipway at Moai. Just parked the cars up there. Fingers crossed they'll be there in the morning. Pretty quiet wee place. I don't think many people will be hanging about this place. And nice lovely breeze coming down, which in that heat is definitely welcome. Yeah, so I got a new seat because the last one was making me my legs go numb. I think actually one of my legs is going numb already. I think it's just the way I sit on this. I must hit a nerve, and my left leg's starting to go numb. But it's not as bad as the other time. Just have to keep my feet moving. So yeah, this is the Blackwater. I don't think I've ever been on the Blackwater in my life. Kayak the Ban, the Braid, the Main, the Ben Burb, when I used to do, and the Lagan, when I used to do all the river running kayaking. But now I've got a bit older, this is more like it than having a, well, it was good fun as well, like, but having to like fly down weirs and, but yeah, do you know when you think how peaceful it is here? Absolutely beautiful. Just getting the wee breeze down, coming down the river there. So it's just nice to get in below the tree shade there for a wee. Oh, see when you come out of that sun, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, don't even see that, but there's a load of wee waterfly type things there. But yeah, I just had to watch where I'm going. I think I'm heading to the bank here. Wonder how Andy's doing. Shouldn't really have left him behind. Oh, he's a good bit behind there. Yeah.
Exactly in the shade, isn't it?
Oh yeah, beautiful. She couldn't beat it, hey? This, I'd rate this. Like, I know the Mourns is good and all, but just for something different. I remember seeing that on the maps. I think there was a wee tributary coming in there. Pretty cool.
You wouldn't know if it is or just rock.
Yeah. Yeah, once we'll be alright, like. Aye, that's the worst of it. At least they slowed down. I did. Alright. That was nice, eh? Couldn't beat it. Hiya. Alright. Get you stood up on that now. I couldn't even balance in one of them. How you doing? I'd be in the water. So yeah, we're just at the Arger here. Just dead ahead. Wife has informed me I've been here before, but I can't remember it. When you come up from this side of the river, you can't. It doesn't look familiar. But in fact, I don't know. I've been in that many of them old houses. It's hard to know what's what. Eye on up a bit there. Yeah, but I think we're nearly there, around this corner, and then 2.7 miles. Not a bad wee stretch now. first bridge. There's a name for this bridge, but I don't know what it is. There's a nice dragonfly there. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Oh, it's so peaceful. Do you know what I mean? If you haven't done this before, definitely get out there and do it. I don't know what that is pumping out of there. Maybe just a stream. Yeah, so we're at this bridge. Just trying to stay away from the fishermen people. Just waiting on Andy. Oh dear. Hard pulling the kayak up that slope. So there's the wee camp spot here. Nobody here. Well, more people out land, but at least that guy, there's a guy revving at a boat there. He's legged it. So I've got a wee log and a wee toilet and a few peats, which is good. The dunny, and then we've got, what's that? I don't know what that is. Part of the toilet maybe. And we've got a wee bench, which used to be seats, but there's no seats now. And a wee fire area. We'll just wait for Andy to come. Here he is. Ship ahoy. Ship ahoy. Huh? I see when I come up round, there's a guy on a boat in here. And something wrong with his engine, he was revving and revving. Where is he? Well, he was revving and revving, I don't know what. I thought it was a chainsaw, somebody was cutting stuff here. And I thought, oh shit, it's going to be a load of people stuck here, but sure it is what it is. If anybody comes, there's more room anyway, have a party. This is how you tell a proper professional YouTuber, right? Because they've got a level on their stand.
I didn't know that was on it until
oh, a level. There you go.
And I never look at it or anything.
This is some spot. And this is just owned by who? Like the Canoe Association or Rivers or something?
The council maintain it.
So
it's just a wee bit of the field.
It's just a bit of a square, eh? Yeah. Maybe the...
It'd be class if there was...
Some,
a few different ones plotted about.
Probably they just pay the farmer for... They rent this bit or bought it or something.
Whereas the farmers just...
But it's a class spot, nice shade too. We're not going to get cooked as we thought we were. Yeah, we're going to get set up. So there's the... Yeah, the boat's out of the water. And, got here in one piece. Didn't annoy too many fishermen on the way up.
Let the worms breathe in it.
And we'll let all this... Get all the kit out, get some beer on the go and drain these bad boys, because I'm sure There's been a bit of water intake, I'm sure. Okay, loads, sure. I've loads. It's all great YouTubers. I must have moved up in the world. We're on the, is it IPA you call it? Yep, IPA. Elvis just, have you tried this? Cheers. First impressions?
Huh?
First, oh, you tried it before, aye? Goes down well. I was getting cooked up there.
Drink a beer before 12.
That's a bad job, isn't it? Aye, bad job, but somebody's got to do it. Somebody's got to do it.
That's the same guy. That's the same guy.
You see the rip of them come back here? Yeah, it wasn't as bad. She throttled back a bit as she come up there.
Must be turning on the arc there.
Right, people. The gear stuff that I brought is sleeping bags, the lightest sleeping bag you could find, 200 OEX. That's that. I've got, let's put the camera over here. Are we recording? I don't even know. Yes. Right, got me 2 pillows. Can't sleep with less. Sleep mat, tent. It's the Thurston, the dreaded Thurston. If I see if I can't get a good pitch here, it's going in the river. Like, I mean, you couldn't get any better than a pitch than that. Got my pegs, got my trekking poles, and that's it really for the sleep system. I don't even know what's in this bag. What is in this bag? All my shoes and bits and pieces of stuff. I don't even know. Then we've got a barbecue. Get that going, party size. Fire everything on it. Yeah, so it's 27 degrees. Getting cooked here. There we go. 27 and half 5. There's Andy getting the top off. Show us your fine top there, Andy, for the viewers. Don't worry, I'll not put that in. So yeah, cracker wee campsite here. We've got a bit of rough ground in here. And we've got a trail here. And this is the wee campsite square. Brilliant. So I was sitting down there, but I'm getting cooked, so I come up. I'm gonna grab my coffee. Doing a wee spot of fishing. Oh, sit here and chill for a wee minute. Serious amount of boats coming up and down this river. Boats, jet skis, just steady. Must be a popular spot. But hopefully by tea time they'll all have gone. You can hear them there coming. A couple of big jet skis coming down now. Flat to the mat. Cheers. Barbecue time.
Is that what it is? Party barbecue?
Party size, aye. Party time. So nearly had a fight in home bargains for this one. You know the first time, and I tell you no lie, the first time I ever seen one of these barbecues, right? You know the way, like, you've got this thing.
Caper on the top?
The what?
Oh, there's a caper on the top?
Aye. First time I seen it, I thought the paper was meant to be in below the coals.
No.
I thought it was like somebody had done it faulty. But obviously it wasn't.
Dave's getting the party barbecue on. What are you getting? Burgers on, is it?
Huh?
What have you got? Burgers?
Burgers, cheese kebabs, some sausages.
Full on barbecue, hey? You any solid? You any solid?
A couple of pineapple things for my burgers.
Hawaiian burger?
Hawaiian burger, no salad, but
Cheese?
cheese, aye. But no pineapple, don't do pineapple.
You're a proper man. Just meat. Carnivore.
Yeah.
No solid.
See, man, you see that grid lying there? That wasn't his video 4 years ago. It's
Yeah.
still lying there.
I'd say there's the barbecues up there though. Party barbecues and shit like that.
Aye.
So yeah, taking a break from the fishing, the sun came around and the sun was just beating down on the bottom step there we were fishing from.
Getting cooked.
Getting a bit of shade. jet skis flying up and down. Sort of interrupting the fishing as well. Fishing's not great. Dave got many perch did you get? Three?
Three and
Three and a half.
3.5 because one got off.
One that wasn't landed. But yeah, whenever the sun starts to come down a bit, it's not as sunny and not as glary in the water and such fish.
Up in the game, barbecue bourbons instead of the usual way I do them.
Pineapple and all that. Oh yeah.
Cook it all.
Aye.
Do me breakfast then.
Yeah.
You got any fire stuff on there? You want to wait?
I'll wait a wee while. Be nice with the barbecue flavour.
The heat should stay on it for a good bit anyway.
What's that, a like chili pepper kinda?
I know, I've got it, so there knows what it is. Must be some sort of peppered thing or something. Yum yum. Yeah, got roasted a bit there. So you know I always bring something nice for Andy when he's camping because he's a generous guy, like make me sausage baps and stuff. So I brought him something. So we'll show you.
A surprise, is it?
It's a surprise. You can't really do them over a fire log, or they'll taste like
Fire log?
fire log. So
Oh,
American.
marshmallows.
What?
Big jumbo marshmallows.
Yeah, and then there's your stick as well.
Very nice.
5 each. There, jumbo marshmallows. Home bargain style, not the deer ones now. But we'll probably have to do them. Maybe, I don't know. I don't fancy doing them over a fire log.
No.
They've a bit oily taste, wouldn't they? That there should keep going for a good while like that.
Yeah.
I could even. They might do well over them logs.
Yeah, I don't know whether the cat stock well.
Yeah.
Although you know what I've got a few of those wax wool fire starter yokes. You know. Yeah, that's my one.
Yum yum yum.
You put my cans in the bin, did you?
Ah, yeah.
Is this for the bin?
Yep. Well, you can see it's 11 and it's still 20 degrees. There's the river looking ominous. Ominous. I can't even speak right.
It's easy for you to say.
Ominous. I watched it on there. I've got our wee fire log going here. Just a wee fire basket up off the ground. Fire warning, there's no issues here. That burnt bit was already there, so we like keeping everything sweet. Just put the fire logs on top of the barbecue. Keeps it even better on the wee mesh. Going to sit here and chill, maybe have another beer, but it's not too warm. That's the wee boat. That's the wee tent. That's Andy's wee tent. And the boat. I've got my wee green light in. Wee mood light in there just to set the mood. And yeah, we're just going to chill out here for a bit. Burn a couple of fire logs that Andy kindly provided. Maybe have a warm beer. And I don't even think I've any snacks left, but anyway.
I have plenty.
And just sit here a bit and then probably see you in the morning because, oh, bright lights. That is bright, that. Hang on, I turn that down a bit. It's set at 100% my light here. Yeah, so we'll see you in the morning. I reckon I'll have a good night's sleep because I'm absolutely cream crackered here. This lovely wee spot. Finally the jet ski stopped at what, 10 o'clock?
About that, aye.
Was it 9:30 or something? The last crazy one flew up by. Lovely spot, but yeah, just be wary. Jet skis and boats all day long. Well, I suppose it's bank holiday weekend, so you've got to expect that. But I would say every weekend in the summer will be like that because it seems to be a really popular spot. So there you go, there's a wee setup. And Andy's going to share some of his
Munchies.
barbecue Pringles here. And we've got the wee citronella midgie candle thing going here. Don't know if it's doing any good, there's not much coming off it, but I think it is. I think there isn't really many midges tonight, there's no breeze. I'm actually shocked because I thought we were going to get alive here. So that's a plus. Yeah, see you in the morning. All packed up, ready to hit, I was going to say ready to hit the road, but ready to hit the water. A lot lighter now that there's no beer or other, well, I suppose the barbecue didn't weigh that much, but the food and the beer, just that extra weight, you could have really felt the extra kilograms there. Just every kilogram counts. So we've got it packed better this time, a bit more room. My feet go in this channel, so be able to get the cabs in there, not have that rolling about in the middle. And they're just packing up there now. Lovely breeze coming down the river. It's going to be at our backs. By the direction of the windmill. It's moved right round last night. And the water, as you can see, a bit of a breeze coming up here. But the water looks lovely. A lot of fish jumping as well. So that is a successful wee camp. Great wee spot. The pros of the spot, lovely spot, toilet. You bet you can light a fire. The cons of the spot is the incessant jet skis coming up and down, but that's maybe only a bank holiday, but I'm sure weekends it's going to be like that during the summer. They rip up and down there full chat, as you've seen in the clips. You've got tractors going most of the day up here in the farm. You've got this alarm bell thing that rings every now and again. You've got a dog that barks to, what was it, Andy, 3 o'clock in the morning?
Something like that.
3 o'clock in the morning. I was fine till one of my earplugs fell out. I woke up, I didn't know where I was. I looked out the tent and I thought that actual bit, the clover, was actually stones. Half sleeping, I thought, how am I pitched in stones? But it wasn't, it was 4-leaf clover. Yeah, random. So totally random. Didn't eat much. A couple of sausages that I cooked up last night. But yeah, I'd rate this, like the location's 10 out of 10. The noise, you would think, well, I suppose time of year and, you know, the noise.
It's quiet, it is quiet though.
It's quiet. When it's quiet, definitely. But see, when them jet skis start, it seems to be the boats come out like earlier, and then there's a time about, you know, coming up by like tea time and around that, the jet skis seem to come out. I don't know if there's like some sort of a curfew with them in the morning, or maybe they've got a certain time they're allowed out, I'm not sure. But when they come out, they're just hammering up steady. And like we've seen paddle boarders going up with wee kids on them, and these jet skis do not slow down for you, they just hammer on, full bore. Seen actually one girl, she was going up and down that since like, I think it was like 2 o'clock till 7 o'clock. And then it all died down. We thought, happy days, that's it. The minute I said that, I heard it starting up again. Up she came again, just for another blatter. Not that I want to diss on anybody's fun, but each to their own. But yeah, I'm sure it'll be good crack. Bombing up and down there, but yeah, as I say, each to their own. But yeah, perfect location. When it's quiet, it's lovely. Just be prepared for the boats, alarm, dog. Andy says he heard geese mating or something in there, was it?
I don't know whether it's geese or swans or
something going off in the morning. I didn't hear it at all.
I don't know whether it'd been grazing or something.
Yeah.
In the field next to us here. And then they all took off. They all took off on a flock.
Ah, right.
And the noise of them woke me up.
Crazy, like.
But woke me up in time for the sunrise.
Well, there you go, like a win-win. I didn't even see the sunrise. I was out for it. But yeah, we'll get packed up. We'll get these boats down in the jetty there without trying not to fall in while we're doing it. And I'll maybe film on down the river a wee bit. See you in a minute. Alright, you know, one leg on the jetty, your left leg on the jetty, and your right leg over. Alright. No, your left leg on the jetty, and get your other leg out over the edge of this. And then I'll try and keep the back pushed in there. You need to lift right over. Don't try and slide in, because it'll just tap in on you. You just need to lift yourself, like.
I need to be over there though, because you're down there a bit.
You need to lift you sort of lift in maybe. Right, I'll paddle as you're doing it. There we go, there we go. There we go. Happy days. Pros, aye. Professionals. It's good, there's like zero flow here. Down by the jet ski zone and then. But it's still a bit early for them, what do you reckon? It's still a bit early for the jet skiers, I think. That wee thing there. If you could see that in the camera. It's a wee micro light just come over. Tractor by. Definitely quick kayaks. You look at, you know when you're doing that, right? And then look at the side.
Yeah.
Like you're motoring, like. Wish I'd kept my other paddle. Carbon fibre job.
Yeah.
It was 300 and some quid, but.
Really?
Aye. Crazy money for a paddle, but no, you're into something. No, when you're into something, you can justify it in your brain. Yeah, that's run down, but maybe the competition hasn't even started yet.
Helen Porky Pies.
Oh, there's a seat there. Maybe they're all parked in a bit.
Not much of a turn, so it's actually pretty much
Big heron. Just gone off course a wee bit here. Check out this wee river. I think it just flew off.
Some size of bird actually.
Yeah, maybe too wet to fly.
That's
Well, Andy, enjoyable trip. No major mishaps. No mishaps at all.
no mishaps at all.
Apart from losing the key to the roof rack, but I found it. Saved my rock on the lockout.
Yeah.
Just going to get the wee boats back on the roof rack here and call it a day and get away home. This man needs to get back to the missus, do a bit of housework, and
Do a bit of chores.
I've got like about a week's worth of making up to do. Cutting grass, housework, cleaning, because I'm what would you call that, borrowed?
Under the thumb.
Under the thumb, or borrowed time.
Borrowed time.
Borrowed time, no, that wouldn't be borrowed time. Do you know what I mean? Like whenever you go and your wife's left at home and she's doing everything, and then you had a great 2 days of sitting drinking beer, and but right enough it was hard kayaking up that. It was stressful.
And the heat.
The heat, and it took quite a bit out of us.
I'm wrecked.
I think I need to lie down, you know, a couple of days maybe.
Definitely.
But
it's exhausting, like.
It was alright.
It's content, like, you know, it has to be done, like.
These
you know?
content creations, like,
You know.
Talking about Andy, not me. Like I just stick the camera on, but
So, yeah.
proper content creators.
Not proper content creator.
But yeah, that's a cracker wee camp, kayak camp. Just come to the wee car park. It seems safe enough. Like our cars were here when we got back. It's always a good sign.
Really
And
quiet.
it's really quiet. Like I think the last time, Andy, when you were here, there was a pile of people here.
Yeah, there was loads of cars, really busy. So that's why we came so early.
Yeah, so
Thinking that it was going to be so really busy on the bank holiday weekend.
I noticed a bit of litter down there that wasn't there.
There must have been one fishing or something
so-
and left crap behind
But
them.
at least the cars are in one piece. But yeah, pretty good. I've got an hour trek home. You're about the same, about 50 minutes or something. So, and it's heat. The heat is hot, as they would say.
Yes.
So I don't even know what the next one's going to be. So it could be, could be anything now. Maybe another kayak job. We'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching this far, and give us a like and a comment and whatever. And see you in the next one.